Well, hello there. This will be a bit a quick video that I'd like to do to give you some revenue reports for August. So here I'm going to be giving you a revenue report. The first time ever I'm going to be giving you a triple revenue report, not just for Udemy, but I'm going to be giving you it for Skillshare, which for the moment has not been paid yet for me, but I'm gonna give you at least the estimated revenue, and for the StackCommerce for the first time ever, because I started selling on StackCommerce in August as well. So here are some numbers. So let's just start with Udemy, and here you can see on my computer this is the Udemy revenue report for August, and in August I made $539.60. So overall the month was okay. It was not great, to be fair. It was a bit worse than July, but it's perfectly understandable. Why? Because people are not learning on August. People are having their vacations, people are everywhere, they're just going outside, having a good time. Pandemic or not, people are outside. They don't want to sit down or stay home. Maybe they want to play video games, maybe they want to watch movies, anything but studying. So it's not a problem. This is the normal thing. At least actually the majority of the sales, like absolute majority of sales, is coming from the end of the August, when actually one of the biggest sales were going on. And let's just break down some numbers. As you can see, the majority is coming from the organic sales. My promotional activity was only $33. This is mainly from the YouTube channel, nothing active there. I have links in the description down below if you want to see how I get the sales. And weirdly enough, my top course for this month was the OBS course, which is weird because usually OBS course is not on top. It's near the top, but not on top. My YouTube course was the second one, made $114. My Affinity Publisher course, which is my newest course, at least was in August, was third. And my Pinterest course, which was one of the top courses all the time. This is actually my first course on Udemy. Is done $87, and then other ones are just less than not a lot of money. So actually with the Streamlabs OBS is $63, and other ones are just not a lot of money. So as you can see, the majority of the sales, like 80% of the sales, is coming from 4 courses only. I have 8 courses. I have 9 now, but in the August I had 8 courses, and like 80% of the sales is coming from the 4 courses, and probably 95% of the sales is coming from the 5 courses. So understand that not all of the courses will work for you. Mind one thing as well, that this number is not final, because students have 30 days money back guarantee, and because majority of the people actually bought the course near the end of the August, they have time till the end of the September to refund the courses if they didn't like it. Unless they are abusing it, and if they are abusing it, then Udemy will just not allow them to refund it. So this is all the revenue for the August. And let's go with the Skillshare now. So I didn't do a video about this, but Skillshare actually added the new thing. It's not new, it has been for a few months, but as you know that I've been banned until the end of the June, so I didn't know this. They actually implemented it somewhere in June, but let's talk about this now. They are doing an estimated revenue for the Skillshare as well. From it says that I will earn from 9,000 premium minutes of watch time, from $360 to $470. For the past 2 months, for the June and July, the money earned was actually over the maximum. So probably I should expect something more than $407, but I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly how they're calculating it. Probably they're doing this estimated thing coming from the information they have, or maybe they're using historical data. I don't know exactly, but this is the numbers that they're telling me. So I will earn probably around $400 from this one. So Udemy and Skillshare together is approximately, if not more, around $1,000 together. And the newcomer to the game is StackCommerce. Let me just switch to the August earnings. And in August, from selling 3 courses, actually they are choosing the courses that they want to sell, not you. From 3 courses, I got $380.94, which is freaking amazing for the first month of sales. This is the first month of the sales, which is huge. Like for the first month of sales on Udemy, I had $1.80, and I had $18 for the Skillshare, but $380, which is insane. And overall, month of August was pretty big. And to be fair, this was my second month which was over $1,000 plus coming from the online courses. There are other platforms as well which are generating the miserable amount, probably like 4 or 5 different platforms generating less than $50. So I'm just ignoring them until they will start generating a bit more income. So this is a revenue report for the August. So as you can see, my work is giving some fruitful results. $1,000 plus is, I guess, it's okay income everywhere, especially for the side income. So I would highly suggest you to look into these numbers and maybe decide for yourself whether you want to create online courses for yourself or not. Mind that all of those sales is coming from the marketplaces, meaning that I spent $0 on marketing. So basically this is all what you see, this is all profit. I spent $0 on any marketing or anything else for these courses, like $1,000 plus, all the profits. This is pre-tax, so depending on where you live, your taxes will be different. For me, the taxes are incredibly low, so I am paying probably around 1% to the tax. So for me, it will be miserable amount of money for the taxes. So practically, this is all profit for me. So yep, just giving you a heads up about the results for the sales. I'm recording this at 7 in the morning. I'm a bit sleepy, so sorry about that. So well, this will be it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Well, like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.